Welcome to the video. My name is Aisha and we're making Alfredo fettuccine pasta. Okay, we're gonna start by marinating the chicken. Take 250 grams of chicken, cut like this. Add garlic paste, salt, black pepper, soya sauce, then mix it well and set it aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now for boiling the pasta, it really depends on your packet instruction. So add salt and oil to the water according to the packet. Then add the pasta, boil it, then strain the water and set it aside for a while and start preparing the chicken. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil and then add the marinated chicken. Keep frying until it's done, and if you want that golden look, so fry a little more. And all the frying must be done on a high flame, and then take it out of the pan. Then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, chop garlic and saute for a while. And then add 1 small chopped onion, fry it till it gets a bit soft. And then add 6 sliced mushroom, 1 tablespoon of jalapeno which is optional, add olives, and then add 2 cups of cream and 1.5 cup of milk. Let it boil and then add 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper and mixed herbs. Then add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, but you can use cheddar too. You can also increase the amount if you want it to be even more cheesy. Then add the boiled pasta, then the chicken we prepared, mix it, and our Alfredo pasta is prepared. Thanks for watching. Follow for more recipes.